What's up guys, here's a guide on how to delete or cancel your Shopify subscription. First, you have to prepare your store for closure. Make sure you complete or cancel all pending orders. Back up key information like products, customer list, and reports. Remove any third-party apps to avoid unexpected charges. Settle unpaid invoices to prevent future billing. Step 2. Log into your Shopify admin. Sign in using your store owner account to ensure you have full permissions. Step 3. Cancel your subscription. In your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Settings, then Plan. Tap the Activate Store. This might appear as Cancel Subscription on some versions. Pick a reason for canceling from the available options. Enter your account password to verify. Finally, click the Activate Store to confirm and close your store. Post-cancellation tips. Shopify retains your store data for up to 2 years if you ever want to reactivate. If you bought a domain through Shopify, transfer it to another domain registrar to keep ownership. Refunds are sometimes possible within 30 days after plan upgrades. Otherwise, your subscription stays active until the end of the billing period. Important disclaimer, this tutorial is strictly educational and follows Shopify's official steps. It complies fully with YouTube's terms of service and legal guidelines. It is meant to help store owners properly manage their accounts. No hacks or unauthorized methods included. And that would be all for today's guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.